Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where the markets closed to end the day. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 both hit record highs today, driven by a cooler than expected July CPI. The S&P 500 closed over 1.1% higher. The Dow closed up 1.1% higher on the day. The NASDAQ was up 1.33%, while the Russell finished nearly 3% higher. Now taking a look at the leading sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors closed higher, led by communications, technology, and financials, all up over 1%. Now let's look at some stocks that are on the move. Elon Musk has threatened Apple with a lawsuit over alleged antitrust violations. The billionaire posted on X alleging Apple, quote, makes it impossible for any AI company besides OpenAI to reach #1 in the App Store. Musk added that he would have XAI take immediate legal action regarding the matter. And Nvidia shares closed higher despite a report that the Chinese government is urging domestic firms not to use Nvidia's H20 chips. The report follows an announcement yesterday that Nvidia and AMD would be allowed to sell advanced AI chips to China while sharing 15% of Chinese revenue with the U.S. government. And AI startup Perplexity has offered to acquire Google Chrome's browser for $34.5 billion, according to the Wall Street Journal. The offer comes ahead of the results of an antitrust trial for Google parent company Alphabet, which could include a forced sale of Chrome. An RBC Capital analyst noted, however, that OpenAI would be prepared to pay more for Chrome in an auction scenario. And shares of Cava plummeted after the bell today following its latest earnings report. The move was driven by disappointing same-store sales growth for the quarter in what the company's CEO called a fluid macroeconomic environment. Cava also lowered its sales growth outlook for the full year while maintaining its outlook for margins. As for what we're watching tomorrow on the data front, we'll get weekly numbers for MBA mortgage applications and crude oil inventories. And earnings season rolls on with Brinker International's quarterly report before the open and Cisco's post-market. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.